about to do another crawfish boil. This time I call it the full retard edition. You're gonna light up your ass like a 4th of July. Hot sauce, extra hot, 2 bottles. Going all in, baby. Oh shit! Like I said, if you're not coughing, it ain't spicy. Like, get in there, damn it. Oh, shit. Garlic powder. Anti-cholesterol and anti-vampire. This will definitely keep the vampire away. Cayenne pepper, we're going full retard edition. Hell yeah. Here's some good stuff right here. Concentrated liquid crab oil. All you need is just 8 ounces or 1 cup. And since this is a full retard edition, we're gonna go with 2 cups. 1 cup right now and another cup later on. Ooh, that's some good stuff. Smells good too. And about 10 bay leaves. Yeah, that'll look about 10 times 2. You gotta put in your red potato first, because that takes the longest to cook. And stop asking me about the damn basket. Stop harassing me. I'm calling your mama. See what I got here? Oh yeah, baby. All the essential. You got your onion, you got your lemon, you got your orange. Full retard it is. Gotta have your jalapeno. Don't forget your celery. And of course, don't forget your crab oil, the one that's in the bag, the herb seasoning. This kind, that's the good stuff right here. Got all your herbs, you got your mustard seed, coriander, allspice, dill. Gotta have those. Oh man. Oh shit. Man, it smells so good. Y'all need to be here, I'm telling you. Now I'm telling you guys how we do this every other week. I lied. We just had one last week. Doing it again. Like a boss. Like I said, during the crawfish season, eat every chance we can get till the cow come home. Let's stuff it all in there. 2 sacks, baby. Alright, now you're gonna dump in the rest of the crab oil seasoning. Alright, remember I was telling you going full retard? We're going for the second cup. Like I said, 2 cups of this, you're going full retard. Or replace your new toilet. Oh yeah. Put in your garlic. Put the lid on. Woo, shit. And just wait. Wait till it comes back to a boil. Give it another minute or 2. Turn off the heat. Get that boil boss ready. Ah, you're just in time. Hey. Came just in time. What's the timing? Oh yeah. Can you stand the heat? Uh-oh.
Oh, hey guys. What are we going to the park?
Green beans. Gotta have the green beans. But you don't have any more space. We'll make space.
I can't believe there's 65 pounds of crawfish.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Frozen corn. Do we have any more room?
10,000 is super guy.
Wow. Woo-wee.
I don't know what else goes on besides what the cars are for. Somebody trying to go into judgment against him. And I was like, one of your buddies? Let's see you hanging out with him. Hey, guy,
He's a guy in the ancient athletes.
You're in for a treat. You're going to get some good crawfish.
I figured it'd be good.
He's got like 1 point something million views on his video.
I was going to say, it's being recorded. It must be.
Look, he
No,
got
it's
sponsored by Boy. Did you do that?
Boy boss.
Did I miss it?
Yeah, you missed it.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, you already ran it?
Yeah.
Man, that was
This
quick.
is the second try. Alright guys, now I'm gonna use the boil boss.
Cool's here to cool him down, I guess.
Cool it down.
No, he didn't do it today, though. This is the second time.
You're just gonna hook it up
Give it to me.
and it's gonna hold it in place.
Measure the temperature.
You gotta bring it under 150.
That's it.
Thank you,
Put on the hose and stir it. And, measure the internal temperature right now.
I guess instead of the ice, you know, how people throw ice on there to cool it down.
See how
I saw this last year.
hard it is right now.
Showed
Let's
the
let's see the internal temperature.
They were pitching this. It was like fucking PVC
I've
pipe.
never seen anybody use a thermometer in their crawfish bowl.
Comes out science.
serious?
This is the real deal.
180 down to 150 or whatever, right?
I had veal Cajun crawfish the first time the other day when I was in Houston.
Let's
Oh,
see.
did you? Where'd you go?
It's about what, 175, close to 175 now. All right, now we're gonna turn on the hose. We're gonna bring it down to 150. That's the ideal temperature. And after that, we're gonna soak it for another couple more minutes. I'm gonna take it out and serve it. Let's do it. All right, turn it on. This is about 175 right now. I just turned on the boil box, and I'm gonna stir the pot. Make sure it cool down evenly. As you're running in the water, you just kind of stir it around. This pot is so stuffed. Oh my goodness.
Go run, go play.
Oh no, it doesn't really seem like it's doing anything.
The water?
Oh no, that's not for the water, just for the flame itself.
It's cooled down, right?
Yep. Yeah, it's about 1/5. That's good.
It's gone down to 150.
That's it. That's all you need.
That's pretty fast.
Nah, see? Now you're just gonna let it soak for a couple more minutes, and that's it.
Steak is coming. I figured. Yeah, that's right. Bring in the chairs.
That's all. Now I'm just gonna let it soak for a couple more minutes, and that's it. The longer you let it soak, more spice, more heat is gonna absorb it. There it is.
We're gonna have a crawfish cook-off. I want to
Oh,
have
yeah.
crawfish because you've been talking shit about it. How good
The
it
funny
is.
thing is,
Oh
for the
man.
past 4 weekends, I've been bowling for people.
Oh yeah.
I bowled yesterday for coworkers.
Crawfish cook-off. With you and him.
Yeah, crawfish throwdown.
Come and eat.
Bring Bobby Flay to the show. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Please don't play with it.
Hold on. Right there.
Y'all go play with
All right.
Taylor. Y'all said y'all wanted to play with Taylor. Now they found a dirt pile. And rocks.
Oh yeah.
They play totally different. Like Taylor come out here.
There you go, guys. Help me reach 100,000 subscribers. I'm inviting 20 of you guys to my massive crawfish bowl. All on me. Make it happen. Oh yeah.
See Dad?
Yeah.
I'm like, at least you suck at that.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, dig in.
Boys, stop.
Hey,
How's the crawfish
That's why you
smooth,
that's why you
Brooks?
didn't taste it. This is a whole other ballgame right now. This right here, using
All right, eat up.
bringing it in.
Xin ăn gì kìa?
Ăn đi, ăn thử cá với em đi, em cần mua đồ.
Okay,
Look at that
guys.
stuff, man.
Hey,
Green beans.
Taylor, would you like some crawfish? Fill that hole up.
Good stuff.
Taylor's like laying on the ground with them, trying to find bugs. I'm like, that's weird for her. Hey.
Go for it. Look at my Jason.
Nước chảy.
That's right. That's how we do in the South every week.
My hands are dirty.
Go all in.
Oh, the potato. Drop it back in.
Look at that.
Like, I have room to put it anywhere.
Tacoma's recently
I'm gonna get it.
come in. Brand new.
I'm getting another boat.
2019. Total.
We're actually thinking about downsizing our house,
Now they had a full frame
but
on
the other house will have a driveway where I can have
The
a
thing is
boat.
though,
Again.
they figured this. Insurance company said
Same part of town? Where at?
it costs what?
Probably.
That's so good, guys.
I can
Not
get
in
it
our
on the
driveway. We
area.
only have like a
Well,
two-car driveway.
okay,